Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the handwriting function on the Post-it application so that the app will automatically transcribe your handwriting into editable text below each Post-it note. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on the second option, handwriting recognition. And here you should turn on this button. As you can see, the app will automatically transcribe your handwriting into an editable text. You can also turn on the preserve line breaks and preserve case functions, which if it's enabled, the transcribed line breaks and capitalization are preserved when notes are captured. If not enabled, these items are formatted to create a more pleasing exported text. Tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, and if you create a new note, you are going to see how it works. So if you tap on it, you are going to see that your handwriting is transformed into text that can be edited below the post-it itself. So that's how the handwriting function works. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.